Day 10, third of the way there. Oh, let's see. Energy-wise, I was so energetic yesterday. I had this hop in my step. Went for a walk yesterday afternoon. It was a gorgeous day. Have a lot of energy. My brain is functioning better. My feet / ankles hurting a little bit, but I know it's just my body reconfiguring itself, getting back into what it's supposed to be. Class today, Patty. Good old Patty. Oh, they're all wonderful instructors. My practice today was a little bit of a struggle. Made it through the whole practice, so it was a very good practice. Particular postures. In Dandiyamana Jnana, standing head to knee, I took Steffi's suggestion yesterday, and the first set I just put my hands down and grabbed on my shins and held that posture on both sides, and then I put my left hand underneath my right foot, right hand underneath my left foot on the second set, just to get the body prepared that I'm going to get both hands underneath. In Padahastasana, hands to feet, got a good bend in my knees, got my hands behind my calves, lower down. Felt good about that. Dandiyamana Bibhaktapada Paschimottanasana, standing separate leg stretching pose. Got my legs a little further, got my head down a little further. Tula Dandasana was pretty good, pretty strong. As balancing stick. Dandiyamana Danyasana, Dandiyamana Danyurasana, standing bow pulling pose. Pretty good, fell out of one of them. Just my legs getting used to the postures, getting stronger. Today in Padangusthasana, toe stand, I didn't bend forward, didn't go down and bend my knees yet. See when that's going to happen. Oh, Savasana, resting pose today. I suppose my mind wandered way too much in that. Had to keep bringing it back. Was thinking about business and clients and staff, my team, my outsourcer, so I was all over the place. Floor postures, good, tiring. In Salabhasana, locust, my left wrist really hurt in the first set. I was barely able to keep it under for a few minutes. Just barely got it under for a few minutes in the second set. All in all, postures were good. Class was good. I'm glad that class 10 is now over and moving into class 11. Oh, I asked Patty about if I took a day off and then started a second 30-day challenge, what would it be? And she said, get over it, Scott. It's what it means to you, not anybody else. So I'll have to agree with that. Next week I start my 90-day weight loss challenge, and we'll see how that goes. I have some protein drinks and supplements and energy drinks and vitamins coming, and that's the Visalis 90-day body challenge. We'll see what happens with that. I need to knock off, I want to knock off probably about 75-80 pounds. Probably take a year. But it took a while to put it on, so it'll take a little while to take it off. I'll do it healthy. I'll do it with yoga. And so that's today. Namaste.